Unlocking the power of communication. Broadcast a message, explained. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of communication, specifically focusing on the phrase, broadcast a message. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply curious about linguistic expressions, this video is for you. We'll explore what it means to broadcast a message, its origins, and how you can use this term in everyday communication. So, let's get started. To broadcast a message means to send out a message or information to a wide audience, typically through electronic media such as television, radio, or the internet. The key aspect of broadcasting is its broad reach, aiming to communicate with as many people as possible. Unlike personal communication, which is directed towards specific individuals, broadcasting is designed to be received by anyone who is tuned in to the broadcasting channel. The term, broadcast, originally comes from the world of agriculture, referring to the method of scattering seeds widely across the ground by hand. From this literal act of spreading seeds far and wide, the term was metaphorically adopted by the radio industry in the early 20th century to describe the act of spreading information across a wide area. This metaphorical use has stuck, and now we use broadcast to refer to any act of wide dissemination of information. Understanding how to incorporate broadcast a message into your communication can enhance your English language skills. Here are a few examples. The government used television to broadcast a message of caution during the storm. Our company will broadcast a message about the new product launch across all social media platforms. The radio station broadcasts messages of peace and unity every morning. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to indicate the spreading of information to a broad audience. In today's digital age, the ability to broadcast a message efficiently and effectively is more important than ever. With the rise of social media and online platforms, individuals and organizations can broadcast messages to global audiences in real time. This has transformed how we receive news, engage with content, and communicate with each other on a grand scale. We hope this exploration of broadcast a message has been enlightening. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also offers insight into the dynamics of modern communication. Broadcasting enables us to share information, stories, and ideas far and wide, connecting us in ways we never thought possible. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!